show Mum? Oh wow.
Another toy to add to your other toys.
Loose. Something to put in there. Thing. Need to play some fetch, eh, Blue?
Like, say hello to everyone. Welcome to Elijah's Fun Time, where we have fun, use our imagination, and have an adventure, eh?
I got a toy.
We're just gonna get my photo taken. We're gonna start.
I got a toy.
Yeah, we got a toy. Look at today, dude. Hey, look at what you're happy now, eh? We go out shopping, and you like want to go to the toy section, yeah? The toy section. I just go to have a look, and look what we got. Not yet, anyway. Gonna go to the counter for the week. So we're gonna buy this, dude, a bulldozer. Yeah, no more spending, eh, dude? You happy with your toy? Oh, don't forget. Scanning it through. Yeah? Hello. Say hi to everyone. It's raining. Yeah, I know. It's not the greatest weather. Yeah? Yeah. No, you can't wait to get home. Yeah. Yeah. Sup, we just got home, and this dude is eager to open his present. It's over here. It looks pretty cool anyway. It's made by Driven, from one of the shops. And yeah, we've got a couple of Driven vehicles. Hey dude. So, just doing this video, gonna get the little dude to unbox it, and yeah, have a little play with it. So yeah, makes noises and all, but you'll see it soon. Hey dude.
Please open it.
Oh, see, can't wait. Yeah, I can't wait either. What are you doing, dude? Pushing button.
Yeah.
Look who's here. It's me. Blue, what you doing? Look at me. Look at you. Hey. 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 Oh. Come on, Mr. Playful. Alright, you ready to unbox it? Yeah? Alright, let's have some fun. So, what do we have here?
Bulldozer.
Yes, we got a bulldozer, an almighty bulldozer. Look at that. Made by Driven. We get the scissors, you wait for Daddy. You're gonna make sure you're always with an adult. Over here. Dude. It says scissors to peel. Alright, let's open it. Oh, look at that, little dude's brought his diggers, his cat and his John Deere. Yeah?
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Do you want to start?
Yeah.
Yeah? You go for it. See how far you can go with the opening this dozer.
Can't do it.
Yes, you can.
This.
It's all in the mind, dude. Look at them go.
Need your help.
Okay, you need my help.
Yeah.
Alright. Where should we start?
Maybe sisters open this.
I'm gonna find. There might be an opening there. What's that? It's a little tab. You just gotta watch out and look at the box, and they might have some opening points so we can get to the dozer. Yeah? So, what we'll do is pull this out. Like that.
Yes. And I want that one.
Yeah? And there's another one there. With a little dude. Ah. You gonna get it? Come on, you're almost there.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Alright. Go as far as that.
Yeah.
You want Daddy to be a little bit rough?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
Ow.
Like so. Out the other side. Ooh. Might come out like that. No?
No.
Oh, like from the bottom. See it? The little tabs there.
Yeah.
Lift that up. Look at that. What's that? That looks like tracks to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lefty loosey? Lefty loosey. You got it right. Got it right the first time.
Yeah.
Hey. Man. Oops. Right. Oh, getting close, dude.
Oh,
What? Tell me what color's the dozer? What color?
and black and black and black.
What else? What else?
Yeah.
Sweet. Do you want to follow the instructions? No? Yes? Yes? No? It's always good to follow the instructions at times, eh? Can't believe you do. Doesn't need batteries? Already got batteries. Go. Alright. How much more do we need to do before we can get this thing out? No? Yeah? What's fun? That gives manpower, right?
What is it, Lijah? You show Mum?
Show me.
Oh wow.
You could put someone in there, eh? Like a... Go. Look at that. Like a regular. So what do you say? Yeah. You're welcome. Hey, Mum.
How's it going, Bubs?
Loving it? Yeah. Another toy to add to your other toys?
Blue's wondering what it is. Look at him. It's like, what is it? It's noisy.
So he's the... Are you alright there, Blue?
What's wrong?
No, so he runs the other way. Oh, it's even got driven. Look at that. That's cool. You got your blades. Let's go up. Goes up and down. Yeah. One up. So what you gonna do? Or push? You're backing up. Oh, we've got construction side here. Oh, the diggers. Yeah. Fix some dirt. And then move the car up there. Use your imagination. You look under there. Okay. That one there.
Blue, hi. Trying to get in there too.
Yeah, hey? Let's pay for that.
Trying to get in there.
Yo, nipping, no nipping. Hey, no nipping. You can train it tonight. Yeah. Not the greatest weather. It's raining. It's raining. Hey, dude. It's raining. Yeah. Woo. Hey, Blake. Cash truck. Yeah. All right. Naughty. Anyway, you gonna say bye to everyone? Bye. Thank you for watching. Okay. Hey everyone. Thanks for watching Lijah's Fun Time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button and share it around amongst yourselves or with everybody else. Get it so we can get as much views as we can. But yeah. Hey little dude, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. Wave bye. And there's Blue. He's wagging his tail. You gonna wag your tail? Say bye. Anyway, catch you later. Hope we've got some new upcoming videos for you guys. And yeah. And thanks for the amount of subscribers we got. We've got 31 subscribers. That's awesome. Hope we can keep it going. So, and Lijah says his farewells. And we'll say see you soon. Stay tuned.